Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a significant update on the story of the Douglas County probate judge, Christina Peterson. If you've been following along, you know her tenure has been filled with a lot of nonsense, a lot of controversy, but things have taken a dramatic turn. Let's check it out.
And our other breaking news story coming from the Georgia Supreme Court. The Douglas County judge arrested and charged with a felony following a fight at a Buckhead nightclub has been removed due to unrelated violations. This ruling came down just hours ago. The court states Christina Peterson acted in, quote, willful judicial misconduct. It identified 28 proven counts of misconduct.
28 counts of her doing something terrible. For those who need a quick review, Christina Peterson made history in 2020 as the first African-American female and Democrat elected as a probate judge in Douglas County. However, her time in office have been anything but smooth. It's been pretty terrible, pretty ratchet, from controversial social media posts to severe mishandling of cases. So her tenure has been riddled with scandals. So obviously the situation with this fight in Buckhead just is not even related to that apparently. And they're tired of her nonsense and they fired her. She is no longer on the bench.
Out of 30 alleged violations, the court's ruling states her removal will be immediate and she will also not be eligible to be elected or appointed to any judicial office in Georgia for the next 7 years.
She's been fired. She's been effectively fired as a judge. She needs to find something else to do. Just not really good for the judge. And again, we're not even talking about the situation she had at the nightclub a couple of days ago. Is this what a judge should be even involved in doing? I mean, and again, we'll talk more about some of the issues that she's been going through, but what is going on here? You're a judge. Why you couldn't be able to figure out how to de-escalate the situation, as a judge should be able to do, rather just being a drunken, angry person trying to interfere in cops trying to de-escalate the situation. This is probably why they wash their hands of this person to be a judge, because this is embarrassing. Oh, so that wig? See that wig on the ground? Looks like a creature. You see it? Yeah, I don't know if you check it right there. It's like in this facility. You know, when a wig is off, you know there's some problems afoot. Probably expensive too, right? Wigs are expensive, right? I wouldn't know.
And that's on me. No, I didn't. No, I don't punch niggas. No.
Sad stuff, man. This is a sad fall from grace.
Ma'am.
Take me where you want to take me.
I can't take
no,
you. I don't
take
have any
me.
identification on
And
me.
I don't care. You don't need identification. You have locked people up and you have picked up dead bodies when you don't know who bodies it was, but you picked them up. Take me where you need to take me.
That doesn't make any sense. You're not dead. So that doesn't make any sense. You're a judge. Well, you were a judge, past tense. But at that time, at that moment, you were a judge. Like, what's going on?
Trying to.
No, take me where you need to take me immediately, expeditiously.
And you're preventing
Take me, I could give a damn. Take me where you want to take me.
So how do you want me to take you somewhere expeditiously?
Now. Take me where you want to take me.
What? I wasn't cuffed. I wasn't when it needed to. Shut the f up. You look like a nigga who was trying to get something before and I never let him.
Is this how a judge is supposed to be speaking to people? Speaking to law enforcement? I mean, you're drunk. It looks like she's drunk, but this looks so bad.
Relax. Shut the f up and stop touching me.
Don't.
Yeah, stop touching me.
So what's my charges now? You said I was charged with a felony?
What's the felony? You didn't tell me that.
Yeah, misdemeanor.
What's that?
This is the.
How many charges is it, sir? Because they went from 1 to.
I told you, obstruction and simple battery.
Obstruction. What's you said felony obstruction?
Yeah.
What is felony obstruction?
It's the same thing I just said.
Should she know those are like? Shouldn't she know about these charges and what they mean, or she just trying to play dumb?
Officers claim Peterson struck an officer with a closed fist. Judge Peterson is charged with willful obstruction of a police officer by using threats, a felony crime, and simple battery against an officer, a misdemeanor.
We call on the Atlanta Police Department to dismiss these charges against Judge Peterson.
Yeah, he says that his client, Judge Christina Peterson, was simply being a good Samaritan. And now he's calling on criminal charges against her to be dropped. 11 Alive's Carrie.
So you see right there, Judge Peterson found herself on the wrong side of the law. She was arrested on charges of battery and obstruction following an altercation in Buckhead, Atlanta. According to reports, and as you can see, Peterson became physically and verbally aggressive during the incident, going after the officers, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense, which led to her arrest. So this arrest added another layer to her already controversial reputation and her nonsense, and raised serious questions about her conduct and her temperament. And this is probably why she probably should not be a judge, because it seems like judges need to be cold, be able to handle emotional situations, and be the most chill person in the room. And if she's there fighting cops, how could she be handling serious cases, or any case for that matter? Now, regardless of what's going to happen at the result of the case of her fighting outside a nightclub, there's some issues or there's some concerns that a man was attacking a woman and Peterson jumped in. I mean, look at the videos. It seemed like Peterson was wrong and jumping in and hitting cops and cursing them out. So whatever. But let's talk about this recent ruling. The Georgia Supreme Court has removed Judge Peterson from the bench. The court identified dozens of proven counts of misconduct. I think it's 28 out of 30 alleged violations. The court's ruling was basically there's no wiggle room, stating that Peterson acted in willfully judicial misconduct. And as a result, her removal is immediate, and she's barred from being elected or appointed to any judicial office in Georgia for the next 7 years. And this, commission, Georgia Judicial Qualifications Commission, have been investigating Peterson for a range of misconduct allegations. A lot of it I already spoke about in previous videos. And they just find her to not be fit to be a judge. Which at this, I totally agree. I think she needs to find something else to do. I'm sure she still has her license. She could still be a lawyer. She'll probably find something else to do. I doubt she can go somewhere else and be a judge. How's she gonna get elected for that? The only saving grace, I guess, for her to have success somewhere else is this issue at the nightclub, that she finds that she can beat that case, which I don't think she can, because who else is going to elect her as judge with the way she's behaving and how she's embarrassed Douglas County? So let me know what you guys think about this situation. Put in the comments below. Thank you for taking time to watch this breaking news video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.